Oh wow, guys, we just are coming up on this. Hopefully you can see it. Well, I say hopefully, it's a terrible thing. It is a big fifth wheel that has had a terrible accident, and I don't even know how they got turned around like that, but it is a mess.
It's totaled. Their tires were blown off.
Wow.
Wow. It's awful. This trailer up here doesn't know how to stay in its line. Okay, so now he's hugging the left. He was hugging the right. And here we just saw this wreck. And he saw it too. Like, some people don't know how to drive these things, I'm afraid. So we're entering the Appalachian foothills, and that's really pretty. So I'm really excited because we have not been to Chattanooga before, and we have a big day today.
You know, I resisted doing it given the choo-choo that time, but it was hard. It was very difficult for me not to throw the choo-choo in there. Chattanooga choo-choo. I'm sorry. I know it's so
He's going to keep on doing that. I bet he'll do it all day long.
Probably will. So yeah, so we're headed to the railway, the incline that goes up real steep, the cog train, and that should be a lot of fun. I think
it's Lookout Mountain Incline, and it's been around for like forever, like the early 1800s, and it's fully enclosed, and you go up the cog. Well, it's not. I don't know if it's a cog rail. It's an incline type enclosed train.
I guess it could be a cable, but probably
cable.
We'll find out.
I think it's a cable, and takes you up there, and then after that, and you're supposed to buy your tickets ahead of time. So the only problem is we had a fog alert this morning, so we'll see how that goes. Hopefully we can see everything up there, and then we are going to go to Rock City after that. So super excited day. We will show y'all all the photos and share this with y'all.
Okay, we're here. Train's behind us. We'll be going in just a second. Of course, I want to get your picture first. So we'll pop in line for that. And it seems like every place wants to take a picture and sell it now. So
this was easy peasy.
Yep.
So here we go.
And we're off.
We're going backwards, and so far so good.
Okay, so if you wondered if it was steep or not,
voila! I would say it's pretty steep. That last end of this rig, wow, that was really steep.
All right, so we made the train ride.
It was amazing. Okay, so there was an incline, and it's called the incline train.
Yep.
But at the very end, the incline was like super. It's called America's Most Amazing Mile.
That's their tagline, and it's a great ride. I thought it was a cockpit. It's not. It's a cable train, and a real smooth ride. And here, let me just kind of show you. There's the train.
Oh, there it is.
And there's the ride, guys. So here's the machine room that pulls the trains up and down, and it is massive. I'm sure you can hear it. If you were standing here with me right now, you could feel the vibration on your feet. And this is a big concrete and stone structure that we're in, but it is moving that cable. To be without its gift shop. Okay, we made it to Rock City, and you have to get a time to come, and you have a 15-minute window that they'll give you a buffer, plus or minus. And so
that's if you buy your tickets online, which we did.
Yeah, exactly.
Ahead of time, because the tickets do sell out. They're limited.
So it's very busy over here. It's beautiful, adequate parking.
So this is amazing. We're going through 2 rock formation boulders, and we have done the slot canyons before, and it's a tight fit, but you can do it. How fun. And there's like a rock bridge up there, up above, and what a beautiful day. It's cool down here in the gardens. The rocks are really cool. Zach, you're doing good going backwards. Good job, Zach.
And if you wondered what the rock here is named, it's Mushroom Rock, of course. And there it is, bam! Something else they've done here is they have this beautiful music going as you walk through the park. And it's kind of like a spa, like if you're going to get a massage, and it makes it so serene and nice out here.
It is beautiful. I love it. So this is the infamous Lover's Leap, and gorgeous waterfall right here at the very top.
As long as they don't make the leap a requirement of lovers, then yeah, we're lovers. Either that, but if I have to jump, I'm not really sure who this girl is.
So we're at the top of the Rock City, and this is the view of 7 states. So Tennessee is half mile this way, that's Kentucky, Virginia, then North Carolina, the Smoky Mountains, South Carolina is that direction, Georgia is that direction, then there's Alabama. So from this viewpoint, you get all 7 states. Super cool. So we're at Cafe 7, and they have got both adult beverages or sweet tea. I ordered fried catfish, and with sounds like a yummy sauce, and looking forward to that. But they also have pizza in a different area.
And I got the Sweet Home Alabama, which is a breaded chicken thigh, and they have pepper jack cheese on it, and it is smothered in white barbecue sauce. I've never had white barbecue sauce, so looking forward to that. And the view, yeah, it's great. Take a look. Well, just finished lunch. I had my Alabama sandwich, and it was good. I like the fried thigh and the sauce they had on it and everything, the white barbecue sauce. It was really good. Linda had the catfish fingers. I'd probably reconsider. Okay, and here we go down. This goes down to the Fat Man Squeeze. I don't know, what do you think? Am I gonna fit? We'll see.
Fat Man Squeeze.
Yeah, this is pretty tight, guys.
Your head almost doesn't fit.
I think my wife's telling me I have a big head. She said my head's not gonna fit through here. Yeah, she's just having a good old time laughing at me.
Oh, we're really going down even more.
If you got small animals or small children, they better beware. This is where the gnomes live. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Watch your head too while you're coming through here.
You hit your head.
They say that was called the Fat Man Squeeze, and let's put it this way. I made it through there. Now, whether I squeezed or not, you'll never know. Okay, here we go out to the observation point, and if you wonder why this is the observation point, now you know. Okay, Linda and I just stopped a second ago for this beautiful artist door looking over a grotto of rock, and we're like, this looks like an amusement park. It looks too perfect to be natural, but it is. It's absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah, and most of the places they even have like beautiful piped-in music, and it is so lovely. And we are here on beginning of a fallish day, so the temperatures are really cool, and there's just a really nice breeze. So we couldn't have come at a better time. Highly suggest. This is just the very beginning of October, so this is a great time to come.
Yeah, Rock City was one of the places way back in early part of this century. They would do advertisements on barns, and they'd write Rock City so many miles. They did over 900 of them throughout the United States, as far as away as Texas and Florida, getting people up here. And so
he was a creative marketer back in the day.
Yeah, you gotta love that. So fun place to go. Come on out, guys. Okay, tonight we are at Champy's, and they say it's the best fried chicken in Chattanooga, Tennessee.
So we're gonna try it out. It sounds wonderful. Pretty cool. They decorate dollar bills here too. Lots of dollars on the wall.
So we're here at Champy's, and Champy's is known for their hot tamales and fried chicken. So I don't put those two in the same category, but we got hot tamales. We got to remember, guys, we're from Texas, and so they are good. They're very good. It's got some slaw with it, and oddly enough, crackers. So odd combination for a Texan, but so far it works.
Oh my goodness, I have got their famous fried chicken, and I've been told they put it in a pressure cooker and then they fry it. And so I haven't tasted it yet, but I hear it's legendary. I'm looking forward to that. And then I got the mashed potatoes. They say that was really good, the green beans. So I'm looking forward to it.
So Linda, do you think we should show them the ugly aftermath?
No, I ate it all up. It's really good fried chicken, and I enjoyed the green beans. I ate my greens, and the mashed potatoes was good too.
No, I'm going to show them anyway. Here he goes. Here we go.
No.
Look away, everybody.
Oh no!
Don't look at it. Look away.
It's all gone.
Okay, today we are at Ruby Falls. So, Linda, what are we going to see today at Ruby Falls?
Well, we've never been here before, but I believe there's like this elevator that takes us way to the bottom, and I believe it is the tallest waterfall in America. Now, once we see it, we will know if we've got this correct. There's just not much information, but there's a beautiful mansion up here that it looks like that we get to go through. So we have a lot to search out and explore today, but it's absolutely beautiful. The drive up here was beautiful, so I am looking forward to it.
Tallest waterfall in America.
In a cave.
Oh, in a cave. Okay, well, that sounds more like it in the elevator part. That's my kind of climbing. Yes.
Yeah, super cool.
This is the way it always is when you come into a tourist place. Where's the restrooms? At the other side of the gift shop. So we rode an elevator down about 300 feet down to the bottom, somewhere in that range, and we are at the cave now. We are over 1,000 feet down right now at Ruby Falls, and this is a massive waterfall behind us.
It's absolutely beautiful. One of the deepest caves in America, and it's nice and cool in here, but absolutely fascinating.
Okay, Okay, we're coming out from the waterfall now. We were over 1,000 feet down at the time we hit the waterfall, and it was gorgeous. We were walking out. Some of the routes are a little different on the way back. Some of them are the same, and it's a blast.
This is Leo's Pass, so this is how they probably originally came in here, is how he crawled in here from under the ground.
Okay, so behind us you can see downtown Chattanooga, and also you can see the Mississippi River Valley back there. So beautiful. We're atop the castle at Ruby Falls, so not only do they have the beautiful underground cave, but some of the rock they brought out of that, and the miners that dug out the walking paths and all, they used a lot of that rock to build this castle. The entire cave and the castle was built in 18 months back during the Depression era. We're at the Chattanooga Choo-Choo area.
And then, Zach, what noise do you make?
Choo-choo! You gotta love it, right?
Oh, he can't resist.
So this appears to be one of the old train stations, and a lot of it's a hotel now. There's train cars here. You can actually spend the night in one of the train cars they say.
Yeah, and a lot of cool eateries. It's really a revived area, so we're going to be just hanging out and checking the whole area out. Gotta get the Chattanooga Choo-Choo. And here is the train. Here we go. Yep, this is the Chattanooga Choo-Choo. And couldn't come here without checking it out. And there it is, Chattanooga Choo-Choo. It is Cincinnati Southern, and even have a car attached.